So for the final exam, we're going to have 3 details that we have to draw, and we have 3 borders that we have to put them on. Down in the lower left here, you see drawing A, drawing B, and drawing C. Those are all paper space tabs, and I'm going to show you how to put each one of these details in one of those tabs. So detail A is going to go on drawing A, B on B, and detail C on drawing C. So drawing A, I'm going to click on here first, and this brings up an 8.5 by 11 border. If you click inside the border window, you'll notice there's no viewport available. You have to create a viewport. So if I type viewport and hit return, I can pick single from the screen here, hit OK, pick my start point at this intersect, go up to this intersect, and I've created a border, a viewport, excuse me. If I double click inside, I can use my P space for pan, and pan over, hit escape, Z space, and now I can zoom in on the detail A. I may want to pan around a little bit to center it nicely. I get a Z space 0.98x to reduce it a tiny bit, or Z space 1.02x, which is greater than 1, to make it a little bit bigger. Or I could just continue to hit Z space and do a tighter and tighter window to get it bigger. Z space 0.98 times. Great. So if I click on so this one's all set right now. Drawing B, again, you have to create that viewport. So I type viewport, single, OK, lower left corner, upper right corner, double click inside, D space, I zoom in on detail B, P space, I can pan around, double click outside, looks great. Click on the C tab. On this one here, I'm going to type viewport again. Oops. This time I'm going to pick 2 viewports. Hit OK. From here to here, you created 2 equal viewports. I'm going to click on this left one, Z space, and do a window around this. Same thing over here, Z space. I want to make these identical in size. When I double click inside, and I come down to my bottom toolbar here, I can actually select different sizes of the viewport scale. So I'm just going to try one here, 120. And then to make this one the same exact size, I double click inside. Come back down to here, pick 120. Pan over. And now these 2 are identically sized in 2 separate viewports. So now, I want to publish these 3 drawings and get them into PDF. So I can either pick the big red A and pick publish, and it just picked all 3 drawings that are currently open. You may have additional model tabs in here. You can remove them as well as you need to, but they're all 3 here. I'm publishing to a PDF, which is this one here, and down here I want to open in viewer when done, so I pick that. Hit publish. It's going to ask me for a name. I'll call it final. Do I want to save my current list? No. And you can see it publishing. And then it opens up a file that has 3 separate drawings. If I hit the down arrow here, I see that there's 3 separate drawings in one PDF. In Adobe, if I click on this page thumbnails on the left, you can see all 3. I could move them around if I want, or not. And that would be what you would submit. Option number 2, if you don't know how to publish or don't want to publish, here's drawing A. You can use your print or plot. Print. Pick Adobe. currently set to letter, and you can see in the picture here it'll fit nicely. I'm going to plot to extents. I'm going to center the plot, and I am going to do it at a 1:1 size. Whoop. I'm going to preview it. Looks perfect. Hit escape. Apply to layout, so I save that and hit OK. It's going to ask for a name. I'm going to call it Final 1. And it's going to plot that to a PDF and open it immediately. And there it is. I have a one-page PDF. If I click on my thumbnail here, it's one page. So I'm just going to minimize that off to the side. Click on Drawing B tab. Use that same print command on plot. This time I'm going to pick the same Adobe, letter, extents. Now it's in landscape.